Hey y'all, just got my Misfit Market Box from the um, from the FedEx guy. I've been waiting on him all day. Uh, I marked out my address on it and I cut it open. That's it. So we're going to see this together. We are. Okay. So I guess these are add-ons you can add to your box. Okay. Baked pears with salted caramel. Recipe. I assume there must be a pear in here. We'll see. Alright, so insulation. I've seen that. Ooh. Okay, we have something in a container. And I know these are all biodegradable containers, compostable, and all that. But I live in a little tiny cabin. Ooh, those are nice. 2 tomatoes. I like the fact that they put them in here. Now, behind me on the stove, I have a towel because I've watched some unboxings and I've seen them pull stuff out and they've got dirt on them, and I don't want dirt on my paper towel. I mean, on my paper. Lord have mercy. On my towel. Yeah, that thing. Okay. So we got 2 tomatoes. That one has a little spot on it. Not terrible. That one looks perfectly fine. Tomato sandwiches. Yes, indeed. Okay, I still can't get that out. There is a bell pepper, an orange. Now, I got the smallest box, I think it's the Mischief, which is the $22. I told it to come every other week. All right, Brussels sprouts. We got Brussels sprouts. I love to throw these in some grape seed oil or some avocado oil with some salt and pepper, and throw them in the air fryer. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 of them. So that's 16 pieces when I half them. Ooh, little baby bell peppers. I love little baby bell peppers. I think I just finished a bag of them that I bought at Sam's. So that's good. Here's an apple. I have no idea what kind of apple, but it's an apple. And it looks fine. Now, this bell pepper's a little wonky. But it looks fine. I mean, so if you've never heard of Misfit Market, okay, lettuce. Oh, goodness, lettuce. Salad. You've never heard of Misfit Market, because I hadn't heard of them for a while. And they rescue produce that is going to be thrown out because either the supermarket doesn't want it or the farmer has too much of it. And the supermarket wouldn't want it because maybe it's an odd color, maybe it's too small, too big, an odd shape. This celery looks fine. And I like celery. Stephanie doesn't like celery. I love celery. Okay, so There's a divider, I guess. Here is the cool pack to keep it cold. Put that over there on the sink. Okay, so here's 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carrots. And you see, these are really small. That one's an odd shape. So, no, 5. I can't count today. Yep, 5 carrots. And I've got a bag of carrots, so I'll just throw those in with them. Here are 3 more really small oranges. So that's 4 oranges in total. Lemons. I got 2 little lemons. I mean, they're little. That one's kind of got a spot on it. That's okay. Now there's another bell pepper with a wonky shape. Here is 2 more apples. So that makes 3 apples. 3 little tiny, look, tiny. Look at the size. 3 tiny potatoes. And a squash, a butternut squash. I guess I have to find me an Instant Pot recipe for this one. And that's it. Okay, not terrible. I can tell you that this box weighed 13.9 pounds. And when you get stuff, it should be about 8 to 10 pounds, I think, for the small box. And, you know, for 6, 7 small multicolored bell peppers, 8 Brussels sprouts, 2 tomatoes, 3 apples, 2 bell peppers, 4 small oranges, 2 lemons, a thing of celery, some really nice lettuce, 3 potatoes, 5 carrots, and a butternut squash. Not terrible. Not bad. So, I'm watching the cat. The cat's trying to get into our carry bags that we take to the grocery store. All right, so that's that. And yeah, that's what I got. I think me and the Instant Pot will be working on this butternut squash. And the rest is easy peasy. I was worried about some root vegetables that I don't usually eat because I know some other people have gotten some, like rutabagas, turnips, and beets. I like pickled beets, but I don't know about eating just a beet. So, all right, well, that was that. And I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, probably just me gonna be eating it. Daddy will probably eat some of the Brussels sprouts when I roast these up in the air fryer. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Catch you next time. Bye, y'all.